Daniel here. Just when I need another box. This one's even been beaten up a bit. But, you know something? Kind of like to look at this one. Looks like it's supposed to hang off of something. It's got a nice tray with it. And as I was saying, it looks like it's supposed to hang off of something. Got a very interesting paint coat, but I doubt if I'm going to be able to save it because it's all cracked up all over the place. Got to fix the latch on it, clean it out a bit. Yeah, she's been hit hard, but for me this is an easy fix. Tray's nice. Box is pretty damn heavy. Like, for a box this size, it feels like it's full of tools. Not exactly sure what it was supposed to hang off of. I guess you could lock it into place. Yeah, she's gotten beaten up pretty hard. Well constructed box though. Yeah, another nice project for me. Maybe I don't have enough already. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Daniel out.